So, this is Rommel's Royal Recap Review Reaction in 1 minute of Drag Race Philippines Nation Royal Episode 6. Timer starts now. So, ang mini challenge nila ay Rate a Queen wherein they rated each other from rank 1 to 7 and ang nanalo doon ay si Vinya. So, everyone sees her as like the main competition of the season. Ayan. So, then ang main challenge nila ay Snatch Elections which is an iteration of Snatch Game. Feeling ko hindi nila nagawa yung usual Snatch Game because they worry with the language barrier. I don't know. Pero yun. So, they had to do a campaign while embodying a persona and Arizona was Lynn from Las Vegas, Siam as Lisa from Blackpink, Brigading as Maria Reza, Suki Doll as Lin May, Tiana as Tony Fowler, Yua as Anna Delvey, and Vinyas as Inday Sara. For me, ang best was si Vinyas as Inday Sara and si Arizona as Lynn from Las Vegas. Ayan. And then yung runway nila, Asian Mythical Creatures, Vinyas had the best look, Suki had the most couture look. Top 3 ay si Vinyas, Brigading, and Yua. And ang lip sync nila Out of My Head by Beanie, and ang bottom 2 ay si Siam and si Tiana, and natanggal si Yua and Time's Up. Mali yata ako. Si Siam yung natanggal. Tama ba sinabi ko?
Girl, kaya pa ba?
Ayan, ang hirap ng 1 minute
Pero wag ka, madaming nanonood. Aminin mo
Oo.
yan, yung views mo dyan. Ayan.